quite extraordinary case where the judges were required to engage not only with the law as it comes down in statute and precedent, but also with deep questions about our common humanity and our dignity as people. Marion was a 14-year-old girl. Her parents clearly loved her and were doing their best. She was profoundly intellectually disabled and was approaching the age where her hormonal balance would mature, menstruation would begin, and pregnancy would be possible. The evidence suggested that menstruation would be distressing for Marion and would add additional complexity to her care. The parents proposed 2 medical procedures to sterilise Marion and remove her ovaries. There was no suggestion that Marion's reproductive system was malfunctioning or diseased, so it was proposed to remove healthy, functioning organs in order to help manage her welfare. The court had to decide whether the parents could consent. What a terribly difficult question. On the one hand, the law guarantees to all of us that our bodies will be protected. People cannot lawfully assault us, nor rape us, nor kill us, nor harm us. Marion was entitled to the law's protection for her body, and yet that protection might result in great distress to her. The court found that this decision was just too hard and too profound to be left to the parents alone. For the bodily integrity of an otherwise physically healthy child to be disturbed in such a profound and permanent way would require a court order. The majority judges said, the function of a court when asked to authorise sterilisation is to decide whether, in the circumstances of the case, that is in the best interests of the child. Sterilisation is a step of last resort, which is a convenient way of saying that alternative and less invasive procedures have all failed, or that it is certain that no other procedure or treatment will work. Sterilisation can only be authorised in the case of a child so disabled that other procedures or treatments have failed or will not alleviate the situation so that the child can lead a life in keeping with his or her needs and capacities. The requirement for a court order means that some independent third party may hear the views for and against, may protect the child's bodily integrity, but also look to their best interests.